Hello and welcome to Walk With Me, where I get the privilege for the month of November to walk with you. Let's ooja! Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're taking our original path that I normally take from the bridge, but we're taking a detour because we've got to spice up things a little bit. Let's go. Today's music that you're hearing is by Russ 8889 and the Delicate Giants. Why have I chosen Russ today for this walk? Well, because he's a cunt. No, sorry, forget about that. We all know that. Because he's a fighter. He's adapted to change when he's had to. He continues to evolve. He's lived a very experienced life in the music industry and continues to, even today, after a major stroke, still making music that's world class. He's inspirational. His music's sick, you know. And yes, he is a cunt, but he's a lovable cunt and he's got a massive heart. It's as good as gold. Russ is, let me tell you that. So we're going to celebrate him today by sharing his music while I walk. If you don't know the story about Russ 8889, I'll give you a little bit of a recap. The dude was just a prominent musician, kicking ass, releasing great music, had his own label. This guy was rocking. Then he had a stroke. The dude went back to sleep after having a stroke. He didn't realize. Ended up in hospital. He's paralyzed as fuck. He still makes killer music. It's just incredible, the strength of people. The mystery of the child's bike continues on episode 5. Do you think that bike's like a character from Toy Story? Every night it just comes to life and moves to a new position to fuck with my head? What is the deal? So we're heading off the beaten track today into an urban street, doing a bit of concrete jungle, because we've got to get to a different place, somewhere where I used to go for a walk during the 2020 inconvenience. It's just a nice big open space. We'll take some drone shots. It's really quiet out there too. And it's a great place to get fit. You'll see in a minute. Boom. So today I want to talk about change, or more adapting to change. Because whether we like it or not, things change. And you have to be an adaptable human being to survive. You know what I'm saying? One day you're flying high, everything's golden. The next day it all comes crashing down. One day you're walking on a cloud, the next day they're dropping you in the ground. That's just the up and down of life. It's how we adapt, how we grow, how we change, how we evolve that makes us special. Yeah, we have the ability to do so. We're like elastic bands, really. We get stretched to the limit and you think we're about to snap and then we bounce back. ready to go again. Pretty incredible when you think about it, how much elasticity human beings have. So let me tell you, it's a little bit hot today. Not as hot as yesterday. Whew, very windy. And stupid me, I'm wearing a hoodie. Look, I know what you're saying. Get it off. Unfortunately, I need to wear a microphone. Putting it on the t-shirt just isn't strong enough. So maybe we'll do that a bit later if it gets super hot. But I got 2 bottles of water in my bag, full of ice. We're gonna keep cool no matter what. Stop every 5 minutes, have a drink. Golden, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, today we're doing something a little bit different. We're on this running track. We're going to do 2 laps of this running track, walking at a very casual pace, having a chat to you guys, and then we'll head to somewhere special to close the show. Whew. Got some fantastic drone shots running along the running track. I'm sorry if it's a little bit windy today. Can't do much about it. It's pretty much an open area here, so it sucks all the wind in. We've got a police chopper overhead as well, ruining my sound. But we'll survive, won't we? And yes, I've got my favorite Russ t-shirt on today to celebrate Russ. But today I thought I'd do a longer walk, push a little bit harder, smash a goal, because it's Russ. The guy's a never-ending achiever. Talk about an adapter. Man, it just astounds me to see how much music the guy creates. How much time he's got for people. Big heart. Big cunt. So just to give you an update on my health, weight loss. We started this, I was about 102 kilos. This morning I woke up and weighed myself 101. Now you're probably thinking, how did you do that in what, 4 episodes? Well, there's a bit more to it. Not only are you getting the walking on my watch, what you're seeing me do, there's also the walking around and filming the B-roll, which isn't getting recorded, and that's a lot of walking. Plus I've changed my diet a lot. Cut out carbs, sugars. It's having an effect, it's working. I'm actually walking backwards at the moment to try and stop the wind from blasting you all. It's an interesting method of walking. At least there's nothing behind me. Oh, dear, the things we do, huh? I think one of the things I'm really blown away by in this music community that we have here on YouTube is resilience. In the 3+ years I've been doing YouTube, there's been some pretty sad things happen to some of our favourite people. And people's constant battle with poor health. It blows me away that all of you can bounce back so hard. It helps me bounce back. It lifts me up. Just always blown away. My heart goes out to Papa Tom at the moment. The guy writes some fantastic music, decent human being. And yeah, gets a lot of people involved in music. So, have I told you today you're all pretty astounding? I'm currently on my second lap, just about to round it out. I'm gonna go for a third. Oh, let's go! So talking about Russ and the Delicate Giants, he's been working on a new album with Jamie Melander, Dean Thomas, and his cousin Gary. And I'm telling you, it's sick. And I can't wait for it to drop. It's gonna be awesome. You're all gonna be blown the fuck away. Pretty impressive stuff for us. He's never really played in a band. You know, hasn't had the understanding of band dynamics. Being married to 3 other people, having to listen to their opinions. It's bad enough being married to one person, if you know what I'm saying. But it's come out amazing. And I had the chance to master it and it just sounds sick. It's just yet another achievement under Russ's belt. Pretty impressive for a cripple. Wow. I've actually almost completed 3 circuits. I'm blown away. Have you noticed my panting? It's a lot less today. Is this actually working? Okay. I'm a little bit excited. Wow. Feels so much better today for some reason, except for the aches and pains, they suck. So I've just taken a look at my Apple Watch. My heart rate is sitting around 130. What? Okay. Damn. I'm blown away. I'm literally speechless. Normally I'm sitting here ranting and raving at you, but I am actually blown away. Damn. That's huge. So we're getting close to home, back to our starting point at the famous little bridge. Whoa, feel that wind kick in. Still feeling pretty mellow at this point. Could probably walk another 2Ks. Resilience. It's amazing. Who would have thought after 4 episodes, see such dramatic changes? The human mind, the human body, the human spirit, it just always blows me away. Fuck, it's good to be alive. I remember a time, only a few years ago, 4 years ago, I didn't want to get up each day. I'd completely given up. I actually started trying to feel worse and push myself closer to death or something. Now I look back at this point in my life and think, what were you thinking? So much to live for. Unbelievable. Well, we're getting close to the end of this one. It's been a long one. Whew, I'm hot. Getting beat now. The legs are starting to hurt, feet are hurting, shins are hurting. Whew. But I feel good in spirit, in heart, in mind, in body. And I feel ready to keep fighting, to bounce back, to be elastic. How are you doing? You okay? Do something nice for yourself today. Okay? So I'm not gonna lie. Today's walk was inspired by Russ. He's a legend. He's a beautiful human being, and he's a cunt. He's got a massive heart, cares about a lot of people, makes a lot of great music, and he's a fighter. He inspires me to get up every day and keep fighting. When you fight back, you can win. There's nothing like winning when you feel like you're losing. Well, here we are at the end of episode 5. Really smashed it out the park today. Almost 5 kilometers, low heart rate, minimal breathing. Yeah, minimal excess breathing. You got to listen to some of Russ's awesome music. And I got to remind you that when challenges come, persevere. You can bounce back. We are very elastic. I'm glad you have joined me today walking with me, because it's been a pleasure walking with you. All right, let's Oge. Boom. Ah, fuck you, Russ.